emotional eating. Because contoh macam saya sendiri, in order for me to really dapat adjust my diet, that's why kita ada support juga. That's why walaupun Ozempic ataupun semaglutide, GLP-1 is very controversial, kan, maksudnya dia belum cukup lama in the trial, in the pasaran, in the clinical area for us to macam cakap dia memang tak ada negative side effect in the long run ke apa. Tapi for me, it is a game changer untuk bantu, because manusia ni dah lama hidup dalam keadaan yang relationship kita dengan food tak bagus.
Betul.
So I had to help with semaglutide because I had a lot of emotional eating. Dulu in order for me to cope with my emotion, I makan. Sebenarnya I bukan lapar makanan, I lapar emosi. Tapi kita
replace dengan makanan.
Yes.
So dia ada physiological hunger and psychological hunger.